Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Umentri rangba Jilla Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma Ulapan Shai Ba Halor Gijinga Tai Bat Kikubor Gibasapriang Shapanga Jingtmu Klong Uranium Ha Meghalaya Nakabapins Kem Biang Eganong Rim Jong Sorkar Jilla Ban Pyrshah Yakani Gijingtmu Haga Jingpentep Jong U Haga Katan Rio Trik Unai Tung Alja Arpan Rio Ulapentep Baka Sorkar Meghalaya Kanwan Ra Eka Resolution Hapo Ka Yeng Dorbar Tau Ain Ka Jilla Ban Pin Pau Pat Ba Eka Jing Pyrshah Bat Ban Kang Eka Jingtmu Ti Uranium Haga Jilla Bat Ben Rab Baka Sorkar Kampat Ju Ai Jingbet Satya Ben Le Uranium Mining Ha Jilla Shua Uloong Badang Shen Haga Jingwan U Dr. Jitendra Singh Umentri Kena Ka Sorkar India Badai Pet Yakatanat Atomic Energy of India Ulajuba Baka Sorkar India Kadang Eksamin Hinray Kampat Shim Rai Halor U Uranium Uloong Baka Jinge Kren Banwan Ra Deka Resolution Pyrshah Uranium Hayeng Dorbar Thau Ain Ka Jilla Kadai Hadien Ka Jinge Mir Jingmut Bat Kinong Yalam Ka National People's Party Kabalam Khamat Deka Sorkar MTA2 Ha Ka Jilla.
Dear friends, recently our Honorable Minister of State, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, was in Shillong for a program. And during the short discussion with the press had asked him about the situation or the stand of the government of India in regards to uranium mining in the state of Meghalaya. Dr. Jitendra Singh had clarified that government of India has not made any decision on that matter, and the government of India is still examining, but no decision has been taken. This was not clearly mentioned in the press, but his statement is very clear that government of India has not decided on any step forward. Number two, I have made it very, very clear number of times that the state government, especially our NPP-led government, is against the uranium mining, and that we have made it clear that we will oppose any form of attempt to have uranium mining in the state. Yesterday, I had a very detailed meeting with a large number of party leaders from the NPP. And in that discussion, apart from many other subjects and issues, the subject of uranium mining had come up. All the leaders of the NPP have suggested to me that the state government and the assembly must unanimously come out with a resolution to oppose the mining of uranium in our state of Meghalaya. Based on the suggestions and the decisions made by the NPP leaders in the meeting yesterday, we are moving forward and we will be working towards passing a resolution to oppose the mining of uranium in our state, to show our commitment towards this decision of not allowing uranium mining, as we are aware about the different implications that it could have on our people, on our environment, on different aspects of our forest, and the overall impact that it can have on the people and the future of our state. And hence there are too many risks that are involved, and hence we are very firm, as I said once again, that we will oppose the uranium mining in our state, and we will work towards passing a resolution in that aspect.
Habatin, pej bahaki kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya